Hello and welcome to my System.io versus Kit comparison video. In this video, I'm gonna compare both System.io and Kit platform side by side so that you can decide which platform is right for you according to your requirement. So watch this video till the end. And by the way, if you want System.io lifetime free account without giving your credit card detail, then a special affiliate link is in the video description. By using that link, you can get System.io lifetime free account without giving your credit card detail. And also, if you want to use ConvertKit, that is Kit platform absolutely free, then a special affiliate link is in the video description. By using the link given in the video description, you can get your Kit account absolutely free and you can use it for free for up to 10,000 subscribers. Okay, so without any further delay, let's start this System.io versus Kit comparison video. First, let's discuss about what is System.io. So System.io is all-in-one marketing platform that help you to create website. You can create business automation with it. You can create sales funnel with upsell, order bump, and many other things like this. You can do email marketing. You can send unlimited email with the help of System.io platform. You can do affiliate management kind of thing with the help of System.io. You can create affiliate program for your own product and service, and you can manage your affiliate. You can create and sell online courses with the help of System.io. You can sell your physical product with the help of System.io. You can run evergreen webinar with the help of System.io. You can create booking calendar. You can create sub account, pipeline, and also professional looking communities like School and Circle with the help of System.io platform. So as you can see, there are lots of marketing features inside System.io. That's why I said that System.io is one of the best all-in-one marketing platform. And one of the best part about System.io platform is that it is a completely free platform. You don't even need to provide your credit card detail for using System.io platform. You can create your free account without giving your credit card detail, and with this free plan you can get a lots of features. As you can see, you are gonna get almost everything in this particular free plan. If you want to know what are the features available in this free plan, then you can pause this video and you can check it. And one thing which I really like about System.io is that even in the free plan there is 0% transaction fee. So suppose if you are selling your courses or digital product or physical product with the help of System.io platform, then you don't need to give any transaction fee to System.io platform even in the free plan. Okay, so this is all about System.io. I hope now you understood what is System.io. Now let's discuss about what is Kit or what is ConvertKit. Okay, so previously this platform name was ConvertKit, but recently they have changed their name from ConvertKit to Kit. Okay, so let's discuss about what is Kit. So Kit is an email marketing platform. So if you want to capture email address, if you want to send emails to your subscribers, if you want to create automations, email automations, if you want to create tags and all these things. So if you are looking for email marketing platform, then Kit is the right platform for you. If your main goal is to do email marketing, and if you are looking for a professional email marketing service, then Kit is the right platform for you. And one of the best part about Kit platform is that you can get started with $0 per month. Okay, so you don't need to pay anything to Kit platform for up to 10,000 subscribers. So if you have up to 10,000 subscribers, then Kit is absolutely free. I will share this page link in the video description so that you can get started for free using this particular page. I will share this page link in the video description, so just go and check it out. So as you can see, I am using Kit platform for more than 3 to 4 years. As you can see, with this platform you can send broadcast, you can create email template, you can create sequences, you can create visual automations. Let me show you quickly. As you can see, it will look something like this. So you can create visual automations like this. So I hope now you understood what is Kit platform. So let's conclude this ConvertKit versus System.io comparison video, or Kit versus System.io comparison video, whatever you want to say. So System.io is the right platform for you if you are looking for all-in-one marketing platform. If you want to do email marketing, if you want to create blog, website, if you want to create landing pages, if you want to create sales funnel, if you want to manage your affiliate, if you want to create affiliate program for your own product, if you want to create communities, if you want to create and sell online course and all these things, if you are looking for all-in-one type of marketing platform, then definitely System.io platform is the right platform for you because it is a completely free platform. And now let's discuss about who should use Kit. So if you don't want to create and sell online course, if you don't want to manage your affiliate, if you don't want to create sales funnel, if you don't want to sell anything online, or if you don't want to create communities, if you don't want to run webinars and all these things, if your goal is mainly to send email to your subscriber, if you are looking for an email marketing service, then Kit is the right platform for you. So I hope now you understood which platform is right for you according to your requirement. Even after watching this Kit versus System.io comparison video, if you still have any confusion, then please let me know via comment below. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you found this System.io versus ConvertKit or System.io versus Kit 2026 video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.